Thriveni Earthmovers, an ISO certified company having more than 2 decades of experience in mining operations. Combining the best of technology, human resources and a concern for the environment, Thriveni's goal is to become a global leader in mining operations. Focused on quality, employee health, community well-being and protection of the environment, Thriveni's charter is to ensure the highest standards of safety for men, machine and the environment.
At Thriveni, at any point of time, when we start any kind of activity, we think that safety as the paramount requirement. So it starts not only at the mine itself, it is the preparing the people before they get into any kind of activity which is related to mine. So the safety starts at the initial stages at the time of planning the operation itself. With this, we are able to bring in a safe environment. So safety is the paramount, and we believe that because most of the people are taken at the local grassroots level, so they are given the complete exposure about how to work very safely. The best of safety practices which is practiced. So our standards is not to meet but to excel in the standards of safety. We always believe that beautiful beginning can only happen if there is again a safety in its every value and every step what it takes.
At Thriveni, the single point agenda is to ensure that safety standards are followed in the entire spectrum of mining and post-mining operations.
Our company's top priority is safety, health and environment. Safety of equipment, safety of persons and environment is our top priority. We are having a safe operating procedure SOPs for all type of operations. In each site, one safety manager is been appointed with his team of persons. So they will monitor all the safety related parameters, periodical trainings to the workmen in each site. So we are having 2 types of trainings. What is in-house training and another is external training.
Thriveni's core belief is in pursuing excellence in safety, health and the well-being of employees, and in taking positive initiatives required for sustainability of the environment.
With respect to personal safety, we take adequate care to ensure that people are provided with adequate safety gadgets depending on the requirement at the workplace. With respect to equipment safety, we go as per the OEM, we go as per the DGMS guidelines. With respect to environment safety, we ensure that we do a mining, we do a environment friendly mining, and that environment friendly mining is by virtue of maintaining the haul roads, proper dust suppression and then adequate plantation in the areas where there is no mining activity. So this helps us to ensure that environment is also safeguarded. So this covers our philosophy of overall safety, which covers manpower, which covers equipment, which covers environment.
The safety issues at Thriveni are taken care of at various levels. A well-defined safety mission is in place. Senior managers and the think tank believes that accidents and injuries can be prevented. At the ground level, safety checks are conducted. Each and every equipment used in mining undergoes rigorous safety checks and careful assessment. Senior managers meet regularly and discuss safety issues and decide on the corrective steps to be taken. Ensuring good health of workers, staff and the local community is a prime concern at Thriveni. Regular health checkup is conducted. At the field level, emergency health support services are available for immediate care and attention. Creating awareness for safety is a key mission at Thriveni. Training programs Workshops are regularly conducted to educate workers and staff about the safety practices to be followed at various stages of mining and post-mining operations.
We are certified for OSHA's 18001 for safety, health and environment. We are inducting fortnightly training for 1 hour with visual clips regarding the safety for particular operations to all employees. We are sending our executives to IIT for risk assessment course where they are given higher exposure regarding the risk assessment. Now coming back to the emergency preparedness plan, we are also undertaking giving first aid training to all our employees, different departments, so that they do that first aid course and get that certificate through St. John's Ambulance. Regard to DGMS, also for the ISO requirement for BS 18001, we are taking care. So awareness is created at all levels.
At Thriveni, protection of the environment is an important task that is non-negotiable. Comprehensive environment management programs are undertaken, keeping in mind various statutory acts and rules that conform to the international standards set for managing a sustainable environment.
We at Thriveni commit ourselves prevention of the pollution, that is minimization to maximum extent, by following the reuse, recycling and reduction mechanism. We achieve this by involving the team in the training from bottom to top and also among other stakeholders. Totality, to have this effective functioning of all this environmental management system, we do take care of the environmental monitoring covered from the ambient air quality, fugitive dust emissions, vibration level, noise level, adjacent water body quality in respect to groundwater and surface water, and we also take care of water level measurement for groundwater and also flow measurement of the water body. Those are being protected by extending our desiltation mechanism, guard wall mechanism for the water bodies. To have all these systems, we have brought ourselves into the control of international standards that is properly designed for environmental management system, that is ISO 14001. We have very strong mechanism. This is being certified by ISO 14000 by international certifying audit bodies, and we ourselves is the model in this region to make ourselves is the best in this region.
Together with environmental management, a well-structured security management system is also in operation to ensure security of workers and equipment.
Industrial Security Division reinforces the efforts of our safety department in ensuring safety of our employees and assets. Towards this end, we have 4 points of convergence. Point number 1 is to ensure wearing of personal protective equipment by all our employees and visitors to the mines. Point number 2 is to isolate the place of blasting. Point number 3 is to carry out immediate action to suppress any fire accidents in our workplace. And point number 4 is to carry out emergency evacuation of any injured personnel in any kind of accident.
At Thriveni, the credo is safety for all. This is the mission. And towards this mission, a safety incident reporting system has been developed to ensure 100% safety. Thriveni works towards deploying new technologies and proactive systems for a comprehensive safety mission. At Thriveni, safety is a way of life. Safety is a mission. Safety is the mantra. At every step, Thriveni attempts to widen the horizon and scope of safety, incorporate new levels of safety practices to minimize the risks involved in mining operations. With cutting-edge technologies, time-tested processes, and a firm commitment on safety, Thriveni aims at achieving 100% safety in mining operations.
पूर्वक निर्वहन करेंगे।
जय हिंद।